Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Have a quick conversation about this F80 M3. This one came to us yet again from Centurion, so thank you very much for that. Make sure you give them a follow. It's currently for sale. Carbon was already added to the car. It had like the kind of front corner splitters. Looks like it's actually missing the bottom part, or someone had just obviously ordered the front part. Needed a bit more to it, so we changed the spoiler out. The factory rear spoiler was just a bit weak. We changed it for the M3 CS style, added the rear diffuser, and of course our signature stance kit. This is a 20mm front and rear drop with the 12 and 15mm spacer. The reason why we're vlogging on this one is I just wanted to show you, and you can kind of catch it from this side here, the rears on most BMWs, especially M3s, always look lower than the front. Now, to get that to be level, you'd have to drop the front sort of 35 and just the rear sort of 15. Now, there are some springs out there that do that, but the most important thing is not to go too much of a rake, but is to look at the seal level. Yeah, again, Jay's probably done some panning B shots. If you look across the seal on this kit now, it looks perfectly level. So we just wanted to be able to get a car on a nice day, a bit of sunshine coming out of it, just to see what you think, so you can actually see. So when we say it's a 20mm drop front and rear, and you go, well, I want the front to be lower, you can't look at the arches, you have to look at the seal line. So let us know what you think of this stunning, really, really nice car. Currently for sale at Centurion, and I believe they're dropping off an M4 as well, which we'll try and vlog as well, alongside this one as well. So any more information on the car or the parts, please just ask. Thanks for watching.